where animals live. Father is sick. Mother is helping on the farm. Ben goes with her. Mother called, "Come, Ben, it is time to go home. It is time to rest. I do not want to go home yet. I want to play," said Ben. Ben saw some rabbits. The rabbits camped near a tree. "Come and play with me," Ben said. "Chomp, chomp," answered the rabbits. "It is time to go home. It is time to rest. Do you have a home?" asked Ben. "Yes," said the rabbits. "We live in a burrow. Our burrow is under the tree. It is time to go home. It is time to rest. Goodbye." Ben saw some birds. "Come and play with me," said Ben. "No," said the birds. "It is time to go home to our nest. It is time to rest. Goodbye." Ben ran to Mother. Ben said, "Rabbit have burrows, bird have nests. I have a home too. I want to go home. It is time for me to rest too."